Today we are going to discuss another problem of control system, that is finding transfer function. So this is a given electrical circuit. We need to find the transfer function E naught of S divided by EI of S, that is output by input, right? So first we will apply KVL, that is EI of t is equals to R I of t plus L di of t by dt plus capacitance 1 by C I of t, integration will be with respect to dt, right? So this is with respect to input side. Similarly, output side will get E naught of t is equals to 1 by C integration I of t dt. So both the equations, equation 1 and equation 2, will convert this into Laplace. So this is input, this is output equation, right? So while converting into Laplace, so this first equation, it becomes EI of S is equals to R I of S plus L d by dt means d by dt, it tends to S. So I of S plus 1 by C integration means 1 by S. So I of S, I of t, I of S. So this is equation 1. So d by dt, it becomes S. L as it is, I of t, it becomes I of S. 1 by C integration means, while writing in terms of Laplace, it becomes 1 by S. So I of t, it becomes I of S, then 1 by C as it is. Similarly, for output side, E of S is equals to I of S, S, C. Right? Now we will substitute and try to get the answer. So substituting, if you want you can take it as 3 and equation 4. Substituting 4 in equation 3. So EI of S is equals to R plus SL plus 1 by SC, that is with respect to I of S. So I of S, instead of taking common, I will use this E naught of S into SC, I of S. I am replacing I of S by E naught of S into SC. So here I took I of S outside, so that I of S I replaced by this equation, right? So E naught of S by EI. So this I will take LCM to avoid confusion. So R plus SC, if I take common, if I take SC common, then here it becomes SC S square L plus 1, right, into E naught of S into S into C. Now what I will do, I will take E naught this side, EI on the other side, or else E naught I will take it on the left hand side. So EI of S by E naught of S is equals to S RC plus S square L plus 1 whole divided by S C into SC, right? So this SC and SC will get cancelled. So we'll just interchange E naught of S by EI of S. So it becomes 1 divided by S RC plus S square L plus 1. So this is the transfer function.